So it happens right on the candle right there, not before, not after, but right on the candle. That green B, that's CYPHER telling you to buy. And in a second, I'll explain to you exactly why this happened. CYPHER is a brand new chart scanner from ProTrader. It reads the market on 4 layers at once. So you've got the trend, the momentum, reaction levels and volatility. When all of these agree at the same time, a clear signal like this one right here will print on your screen. And I'm one of the first people in the world to show it to you. My name is Matt Bayless, I run Trading Marvels, and we're partnered with ProTrader to bring you CYPHER completely free. I'll show you how that works at the end, but first let me show you what this thing can do. So what is CYPHER? It's not an indicator, because indicators give you one piece of the puzzle and leave you to figure out the rest yourself. CYPHER is a full chart scanner that reads the market on multiple layers at once and then gives you a complete trade with entry, stop loss and 3 take profit levels already calculated. So behind the scenes it's checking for 4 things at the same time. Number 1 is the trend direction across every time frame using the trend table. Number 2 is momentum using the pulse line, oscillator line right here at the bottom. Number 3 are the reaction levels, which are dynamic support and resistance zones it draws on the charts automatically. And number 4 is volatility, which it uses to adjust everything on the current market conditions. When all 4 of these layers agree on the same candle, at the same time, you get what we call a flag. You can see right here, we got an S there for sells. You get a green B for buy, or you get a purple S there for sells. Now here's what makes this different from every other scanner I've used. CYPHER has a built-in discipline rule. It's called no letter, no trade. If you don't see a B or an S on your screen like you do here, you stand down, no exceptions. It also has like a cool down rule. So once a sell prints just like this, you won't see another one for several candles later. So that stops you from taking the same setup 3 times in a row and over trading on one moves. And it adapts to whatever markets you load. It tunes differently for Forex, for gold, for indices, for crypto. So you're not going to get the same generic signals on a $5 stock that you are on, let's say, Bitcoin. Right, let me show you this in action. I've got CYPHER loaded up here and straight away you can see it's been working. Look at the bar colors. Every candle outline is telling you the market's underlying flow. Green, like this candle here, shows bullish pressure, and the red here means bearish. So even when no signal is firing, you know which way the wind is blowing. So these zones here, these are CYPHER's proprietary reversal bands. They're adaptive support and resistance zones that move with volatility. And these round numbers here, so these white lines are there. These are institutional psychological levels. These are prices where the big players are watching. So they're all marked up on the charts for you automatically. Now look at it. On, let's say, gold, I got the gold chart up here. And on the 5-minute chart, the CYPHER has flagged a sell. You can see the sell S right there on this candle. It's given me an entry price. So this right here is the entry price. It's given me a stop loss here, and then it's given me with 3 take profit levels. The stop loss here, which by the way is calculated as half the flag's candle range, so it's not some random number, and it's got 3 take profit levels down here. So TP1 at times 1 the risk, TP2 at 2 times the risk, and TP3 at 3 times the risk. The standard approach is that you take half your position off at TP1, a quarter at TP2, and trail the rest to TP3. And you can see this one has almost hit TP3 before reversing, but because we're taking partials, it is already a profitable trade. And that's the complete plan. You don't have to calculate anything because it's all done for you. And watch this, before we even got that S there, before that S fired, we had this right here. We had this D come up on the oscillator down here, which is divergent, which is going to tell me that price is likely to change direction. So at that point, I can get ready for the S to fire down there on along this pulse line right here. Remember what I always say, these are just trade ideas. There's no guaranteed wins. You still need to check the chart make sure it fits your plan, but CYPHER does all the heavy lifting for you. It finds the setup so you're not staring at like 28 different pairs and hoping that something happens. Now I want to show you something that might be the most important feature in this entire system. Okay, so watch this. Right now we're going to look at this area up here. Okay, there's no B and there's no S. There's no flags with a B or S in it, and that means no trade. That's a discipline rule. The best trade CYPHER can give you sometimes is just no trade at all, right? Even though it looks like it's going to keep going up or it's going to reverse, it might not always be the best case, okay? And here's why that matters. Most traders lose money because their strategy isn't bad, but because they overtrade and they force setups that aren't really there. And CYPHER physically stops you from doing that. If the four layers don't agree, so if the trend, if the momentum, if the reaction levels and the volatility, the flag doesn't print, and that's the end of the story, okay? No trades, end of story. And when it does fire, look what happens, right? We get a big move. So we got a fire right here, we got an S. At this point, we'd be looking for sells. So we're having a look here, we got the S just there, and we get a big move. And nothing happens after that for several candles, okay? So that's the cool down period, which stops you from piling into the move that's already gone. And that would have saved me from some of my worst trading mistakes. And I know a lot of you watching can relate to that. If you're wondering what these arrows are, under some of your candles are on top, let's say we've got a buy signal here. These are opportunities to get back in. If you want to add to your position, you can add a little more to your position right here. If you've got a big arrow like that, you're going to get a nice strong push up like that, and you can probably put a bigger size in. But that's something more advanced we can get into that in another video. If you compare this to a regular indicator that's firing signals every 5 minutes, you don't know which one to take, and you end up taking them all, and that's exactly how you blow your account. So CYPHER's discipline rule is no letter, no trade. That's the feature that keeps you in the game long term. So there's a few more things I want to show you while we're here, because CYPHER does more than just the flag setup. And I touched on some of these earlier, but the first one is down here. We got divergence. CYPHER spots divergences as it forms and labels them on the chart or the oscillator down here with a clear D. So if price is making a higher high, but momentum's making a lower high, it flags that reversal before it happens. And if I switch over to the 30-minute chart on the time frame right here. Secondly, on the 30-minute chart, CYPHER draws the fair value gaps. These are imbalances where price moves so fast that it leaves a gap. Markets almost always come back to fill these areas, so they act as an additional target zone to keep your eye on. And I've already touched on the arrows right here. So you've got the sniper arrows. They are for quick continuation entries inside a strong trend, for example. And break arrows, with longer arrows, when price breaks a recent swing with volume behind it. So even between flags, you've got additional confirmation tools right there. And in the top right hand corner right here, you've got the trend table. This gives us directions across every time frame at a single glance. So you haven't got to scroll through every different time frame. You just have one look and you know if the hour is bullish, if a 4 hour is bullish and a daily is bullish. That's triple confluence, and those are the highest probability setups. In future videos, I'll be showing you how to put all of this together to decide whether the flag is worth taking the trade or not. Right, now that you've seen what CYPHER does, let me show you how you can get it, because this is the part people are going to be asking all the time. So step one, you need an account with PU Prime. You can sign up with the link in the description. It will send you through to my link tree, and you can see step one and step two there. Step one will talk you through the whole registration process. You can click that, go back to my link tree. Then step number two is my sign up link for PU Prime. You need to sign up to that. Second thing you need to do to get access is deposit a minimum of $300. This is your trading capital. So we don't charge any subscription, we don't charge any fees or anything like that. This is your money. You can withdraw it anytime you want, okay? And step three then is to get the pro trader. So if you follow the steps in my link tree in step 1, it'll show you how to sign up to Pro Trader, how to get access to the platform, and how you get access to CYPHER as well. So once you've done that, you'll get access. And what would be really cool is on my link tree as well, you can see my WhatsApp link. If you go on to WhatsApp there, once you've signed up and deposit, send me a screenshot and I'll get you added into all the different communities we have, so you can keep up to date with everything that we've got going on. And this video is just one of a full CYPHER series I'm going to be releasing over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be dropping the exact settings I use, how to combine everything in CYPHER to create your own trading plan, how it all works. I put it all together, and we'll do comparisons against other scanners on the market, and I might even do like a 30-day results video where I let CYPHER take all my trades for 30 days and we'll see where we are at the end of that. So if you want to see that, make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so as you know when the videos are uploaded. So if you want to stay ahead of this, because when CYPHER drops publicly, everyone's going to be searching for this, so you want to be one of the first people to use this. And so yeah, that's it for now. That's CYPHER, the chart scanner that reads 4 layers of a market at once, prints a clear buy or sell when they all agree, and gives you a full trading plan with entry, stop loss, and 3 take profit levels. So no letter, no trade. That's the discipline rule. So if you're tired of over trading and chasing setups that aren't actually there, this is the tool that keeps you completely honest to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment and let me know what pair you're going to scan first when you get your hands on this scanner. The link to get started with PU Prime and Pro Trader is in the description. You head on to my link tree, use my link so you come through to Trading Marvels, and don't forget to join my free Telegram channel as well. I got a great community and look forward to introducing you and welcoming you into our community to help us grow. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.